Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use dynamic pages on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, click on select and edit site, and then you're going to be here in your dashboard. Once you're here in your dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen, and then you're going to find all of these sections right here. And in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit your site. Go ahead and click on edit site, and then you're going to be redirected to this page right here. So basically, guys, this is going to be the Wix website editor. Just wait for it to load. And then once loaded, this is how it will look like. So once you're here in this page, here as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to design and customize your site. For example, if you go here to add element, as you can see guys, you can add a text element, image, button, strip, and so on. So right now, if you want to make your pages dynamic and add animations, it's pretty easy and pretty simple. Just go to the section you want to add animation to, give it a click, select the whole section, and then right here, as you can see guys, you're going to find change images, settings, layout, design, and here you're going to find animations. So if you click on animations, as you can see guys right here, you can make it fade, you can make it float, fold, blur, turn, and so on. As you can see guys, there's a lot of effects. For example, I'm going to make it float like this, and then I'm going to go back and it will be directly saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.